off to the man cave to convert the bike in front of me into an e-bike. 150 quid's worth of second-hand mongoose. There it is, large frame, 26-inch wheel, being ridden by Hippy. I'll remove everything first. Alright, that needs to be removed. You don't know, see, a lot of the time you've got to undo the handlebars. I think you're going to need a new chain, Taz, you know. In fact, I know you're going to need a new chain. Well, it is, it didn't feel like it was going right, that. I didn't feel like I was getting it in the right positioning. But it is, that's right. So you look through the little window that shows you how much we've got. This chain is right on the edge now. Let me get you the other one. If it was at 1, you'd be getting rid of it. These, you see, measure at 75 and 1. So that's going to show us. You see it? See how that's slotting in there. See how it goes in. Yeah, it's going in the hole. Okay, if I turn it over, that measures the other side. See it?
Yep.
It's hitting this edge, so that's showing us it's nearer 75 than 1. See?
Yeah.
But we're getting to the edge. It's not dropped right in, has it?
No.
But it's going in, so we're getting there. If that was a 50, you see, you'd be like, right, I need to get a new chain. Right. By the time you get to this, 75, okay, we're right on the cusp, so we do need to change this chain, alright. By the time you get to this, you've already started to destroy your cassette and your chain ring. By running up at 75, if you get there by changing now, or even changing at 50, you'll get 4 times the longevity out of your front and rear sprockets. On an electric, a bling ring could be in excess of £250. Examining all the way around, and we're looking for that. See it? There it is. I'm doing this upside down for the benefit of the camera. There you go. And all it's actually doing is squeezing them together. When they squeeze together, it releases. Oh, you saw how quick it released. All we need to do is unthread that. And then we'll put it back. See it? So I was going to say make sure you don't put any twists in it when you're doing it, because I just threw 2 twists in it then. Oh, that'll go around, double check, always double check first, you see, and that's going to be right. I'm now going to take it off and just bring that back together. Bring it back together again. There you go. And literally I've just pulled it and it'll click back in. That's done it. I don't think that's been undone since the bike was built. But yeah, Jim's right, see, if you're pedalling, that's going to be turning that way, so it's got to go the back way, hasn't it? It's got to go this way backwards, see? So I want to put that on there like that. And give that, I've come this way, excuse me, I didn't mean to. I'll give it a tap. Now what I was going to say is, even though I might not know which way it was going, yeah, a couple of taps it should go one way or the other. And the reason I'm taking the pedals off now, it's easy to do so, and we need the pedals. Oh, we need them. Look at that in there, can you see that?
Yep.
It's nice, fresh grease. Like somebody's been in there recently. Maybe. Yeah, this is screwing into this part. Okay. And then that is hitting against it now.
Okay.
Yeah, but we've had problems with these before getting these on. You know what I mean? It can be a bit of a pain. So look what it's doing, so I'm just going to take it easy with it. I have got a different extractor. So we've got to get onto, you see that? We've got to sit right on that edge. This splines off it. We're not going to use any of this. So that should be actually working, but it don't seem to be. See, this is the right puppy. I'll show you. I don't know if you better see it better. That sits in there. You see, I can't really get it. Right, that sits in there. You see what I mean? That little cup should hit that bit, opposed to there. We'll give it another go with this, and then what I'll do, I've got another one which is a bit more brute force-ish. You see, it's going to drive down to that edge. Let's have a look so you can see what I'm on about. See, that's thinner. Now, it may drive down, see, to that edge and push it through. If it's deep enough. And it is, because I wind that back now. So we'll try this one with it. That may just push it straight off like that, you see? And it is. Yeah. So again, you can mess around for ages, but once you've got the right tool, it just comes off in your hands. And you can see what that did. That worked perfect. Yeah, we've got several of these. That was really expensive. That one was, and I've got 2 or 3 others. Some of them have just bent and collapsed. You use them once and they work, but when these lock up, or when you get that, you know, with this, then you know, there's no lubrication or grease in between them two. They can be really hard to get off. But the beauty of this is now we know it's that one. What we do is we can easily pop round it, pop this one in here, and if we know this one's going to work, and it's going to be dead easy. Withdrawing that just to get it all out. That's okay. A bit stiff, that one. dirty.
Why has it done that? Some seal has failed or something.
What? It's getting under the seat post, come down under the seat post. Normally, you see, you'd have a bit of a hole or something.
Yeah.
You know, but hey, it's just got in, hasn't it? And we have to put some spray in, but no, that's not our spray. You know, we did put some in. We didn't put any of that amount in. Look at him. So this is your drive now. I mean, you can see that's what you had on. Okay, it don't really matter because your bearings are in here now. See it? So this is a direct replacement. Now, it's actually the other way around. It should be that way. So it's got to be in it when it's on there like that. So really, that's on there. That's, but obviously that won't go on because it's the wrong type, and that's why they send you this with it, which actually bolts onto this flange round here, and then you pedal your what's it? I'll go like so. Yeah, same on this side here. Yeah, so we put the locking ring on this and lock it into the frame. You'll see it. You'll see it. So what we need to do is that's got to go in there. Okay. 1, 2, 1. That goes on first. Then that one. Then that one. Yeah. It's these two. Got to go through here. Yeah. Into the motor.
I'm back in again.
20 quid this. You sure?
Yes.
20 quid on your bill.
No problem.
Specialist this.
No
Specialist
problem.
tool. Seriously, that's what it is. It's the ring key for a Bafang motor.
Right.
Right, so no, I'm tightening this up before then, and I held that up there so it crushes that in place. Right, if you tighten them up first,
Yep.
it won't work. Because what happens is, it pulls that
Right.
one way. Right, and as soon as it pulls it one way, right, it'll only catch on one side.
Right.
You with me? And these don't need to be tight. You've just got to take them up onto the washer. Yeah?
Right.
So you're just kind of nipping them up. Not tightening them. There, end of there. And then I suppose right at the end, we'll just give them a little bit. There they are. Blue. See, and you don't need much, so you might as well just bob a little bit on every one. Like that. Yeah, only a tiny amount. Okay. Cool. Okay, go on, move. Sit, next one. One more. Think. Do one more. Have you got the right ones? In? They all the same? Yeah?
Yeah.
Sure?